Continuing, Isuzu Philippines showcased what the 2018 D-Max has to offer in the recent 4x4 Xtreme Experience at the Queen City of the South. Held at the North Wing parking lot of SM Cebu City, Isuzu Philippines, together with Isuzu Cebu, allowed Cebuanos to see and experience what the 3.0-liter, 177 PS and 380 Nm BluePower D-Max can do on an action ramp built to showcase the vehicle's power and prowess. Aside from the action-packed 4x4 experience, Isuzu also treated Cebuanos with numerous games and special events, as well as performances from Isuzu brand ambassador Maja Salvador.
This is really an activity designed for the whole family, for the whole Isuzu family who have come here in Cebu for the first leg of the Isuzu 4x4 experience. So we'll be holding this event not only in Cebu, but in the coming months we'll be holding this in Iloilo as well as in Manila and other cities around the Philippines.